This narrow cart is perfect for solving your storage problem in a small space. It's really handy to have and it's very well made. And the nice thing is that you can use it in several parts of your home. It's great for the bathroom because most bathrooms are small and there are so many things that you can use to store on it. But you could also use it in your laundry room or even in a kitchen. We're going to be using it to put our produce on, and it is perfect for that in this little slim corner of our kitchen. It fits perfectly into this nook. But this cart is especially great for just fitting in between two things in a very narrow space to utilize that otherwise wasted space. It was really easy to assemble. It took me about 15 minutes. And the nice thing is that you could choose whether you want to use wheels or it has just regular stationary feet. But even the wheels have the little lock mechanism in them, so you can keep this cart in place. I was sent this cart to try out and I really loved the overall look of it, the nice black metal and the pretty rustic wooden top. This cart is going to be just what you need to add that little bit of extra storage in your home.